Hey there, my name's Adam. I'm going to be walking through this 22 model Shasta. Right here on the front, you have an electric tongue jack. Behind the propane tank cover, two 20-pound propane tanks. To your regulator. Right here, as you can see, it's green. That means you have gas flow from this tank. Whenever this turns red, that means this tank is empty. It's going to automatically pull off of this tank. The 12-volt battery is right behind the tanks. Storage compartment, pass-through storage all the way through. This unit is solar prepped, so it has the capability of a solar panel if you want to install one. Here's your cable and satellite hookups for your TV. Down below here is your waste outlet. You have black tank on the right, which is your toilet. Gray tank is on the left. That's going to be your shower and sink water. Outdoor shower here. This is your city water connection. We recommend using a pressure regulator on your city water. This unit is a 30 amp service unit. You have a LP quick connect right here if you want to hook up an outside stove. 4 stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners of the camper. This is the furnace vent. This is the water heater. The drain plug is right there to winterize. There's the pressure relief valve. Freshwater fill right here. And the freshwater drain is located right behind the wheel. There's a white valve back there. You can pull to drain the fresh tank. This is the antifreeze port to winterize the camper. That's where you're going to hook in your jug of antifreeze, run the pump to run through the system. You have an outside TV hookup right there. This is electric awning. Now this will continue to roll out, and it'll start rolling up backwards if you don't let off the switch. So right about there is where you want to let off the switch. And then to make a pitch adjustment, pull down on this arm and it'll stay wherever you leave it. Make sure it's all the way out whenever you go to retract the arm. Here is the monitor panel. So that's the awning switch that I just ran. This is the slide switch, awning lights, living room lights. That's the water pump switch, water heater gas, and electric switch right there. This does have Bluetooth. You can hook this to your phone to use. This is a sensor, so anytime this senses movement in front of it, this is going to light up. And it's going to show you your tank levels, fresh tank, black and gray, and then your battery life. This is the 3-burner range. To light it, put the eye to high and turn the igniter. Same way with the oven. Put the eye to pilot, the little flame, and then press it in and hit the sparker until it lights. Exhaust fan right above this. Microwave. This fridge is a 12-volt refrigerator. The controls are right here, 1 through 5. To turn it off, hold the button for 10 seconds. And then the freezer controls on the back of the freezer wall. Here is the distribution panel. All your 120 breakers on this side, and all your 12-volt fuses on this side. Everything labeled to what it goes to. Here's the carbon monoxide detector. Also detects gas leaks, and it's hooked straight into the 12-volt battery on the front. You hear that sound? That means you have a leak in here somewhere. Smoke detector, it's right up here. This runs off a 9-volt battery. Need to check that every so often. Inside the bathroom, You have a GFCI outlet. So a lot of the outlets inside this camper are tied in with this one. So if something's not working, you can come here to make sure that's not tripped. You can reset it just like that. And you have an exhaust fan above the toilet with the switch right up there on the bottom of it. Your dinette booth will make into a bed. Pop this table out, pull the legs out, slide the tabletop on top of the seat here, and move the cushions to make a bed. Couch will also make a bed. Pull it out like that. This is the stereo. This has Bluetooth capability to hook to your phone. Also, you can make the sound from the TV come through the speaker. Up top, where this coax is hooked, is the antenna booster. So this goes to the antenna on the roof. Turn this button on, you get a green light. That's gonna boost the signal a little further to pick up some more channels. Next to the TV is the thermostat. This controls the air conditioner and the furnace. Put it to cool and you can adjust your fan speed over here. When running in air conditioner mode, you can leave it in auto high. That's gonna change the fan speed as it needs to cool. And you can adjust your temperature right up here. And then you have a fan option as well. You can run the fan on low fan or high fan. And then the heat is on the far right to run the furnace. Inside the bedroom, you have USB ports on both sides of the bed that you can hook your phone to. Lots of storage underneath the bed. And TV hookup is right there on that wall. We hook the coax, and the sticker indicates the stud in the wall to mount a bracket. That's just a quick run through this 22 model Shasta. If you have any questions, give us a call at 270-247-0333 or visit our website at ridersrvworld.com.